Hey crafties, this is Kimberly with Sky Creations. So I wanted to show you a great project that you can create right in time for 4th of July. So as you see here, I'm going to be using 3 different cardstock colors. I am using the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop Encore textured cardstock. They have the snowy white, the all-American red, and the lapis blue. So once I have all of them cut out, you see it's a very nice clean cut. I did have 8 of the heart shapes per color. So we're going to be using either a paper creaser, a matte scraper, a gift card or credit card, or if you don't have any of those lying around, you probably have a coaster for your drinks. So go ahead and find something that you're able to use. We're going to be folding each of the heart petals in half. And as you see here, that's what I'm doing. I'm creasing them with using my fingers. And then just keep in mind that you want to go ahead and keep the texture that you want to appear on the outside of the heart. So if you wanted the smoother side inside or on the outside, then that's how you want to make sure that you are folding your petals. So once we have everything folded, I am going to be placing this on a canvas mat, and I was trying to see what I like better. So I tried out an all blue flower and it looks really cute, but then I wanted to make sure it gave me the 4th of July colors. So I changed it up and I'm doing the red, white, and blue. And as you see here, I'm going to add one more petal since it's 3 different colors and I want to alternate them in there. So I have the placement set. I really like how it is looking. I'm going to create one more flower, and for this one I'm only using the red and the blue. So I'll need 8 petals. So you place the petals on your canvas with one of the flat sides of the heart down, and they will be rotating around the center in the same direction. So once you have the placement set up how you would like for them to be, I'm using the Barely Art fine tip glue here to place everything. On this first flower, I am making sure that I have each petal slightly overlapping, touching end to end, and make sure that the 9 petals fit. For this next flower, I'm only using 8 petals, so it's a lot easier and we have a little bit more room in between the petals for you to be able to place them. So I have everything placed on here, and the next part is I wanted it to give you the flower sensation. So let's go ahead and add a stem using an acrylic paint pen, and I'm using the extra white petals that I had left over from our cutout to create some leaves on the stem. If you prefer to cut out green leaves for it, you can go ahead and do that as well, but I thought this would be a great use of the material I already had cut. So I'm placing them there. I did paint the little leaf shapes onto our petals, and that way we have more of the look that we are looking for. So we glue everything down, and here we go. Make sure you like and subscribe to the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop for more great paper craft tutorials.